Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Prokaryotic cell. Cells are bounded by plasma membrane, which is semi-permeable. Inside the cell is a semi-fluid jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. In which cellular organelles are suspended. All cells contain chromosomes which carry genes in the form of DNA. All cells have ribosomes, tiny organelles that make proteins according to instructions from the genes. Choose the best answer for each question. Prokaryotic cell.
What is prokaryotic cells?
The cell of bacteria and archaea are prokaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are evolved before eukaryotic cells and they lack true nucleus. Prokaryotic cell possesses nuclear materials but lacks a nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cells are 0.1 to 5.0 micrometer in diameter.
Choose the best answer for each question. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.